Ecuador has about 10 million hectares of forest cover, much of which is seriously threatened. Ecuador's deforestation rate is among the highest in South America, causing the loss of valuable ecosystem services and the emission of 55 million tons of carbon dioxide per year. To address these issues, CI Ecuador has supported the government of Ecuador with the design and implementation of Programa Socio Bosque, a program completely aligned with CI's new mission.
El Programa Socio Bosque es una herramienta innovadora que lo que busca a través del Ministerio del Ambiente es reducir nuestras altísimas tasas de deforestación del Ecuador.
Socio Bosque is an environmental program designed by CI Ecuador with the Ministry of the Environment to support the conservation of native forests.
It's a voluntary program. Basically, it's a payment for ecosystem services scheme at the national level.
El apoyo de conservación internacional es bastante importante, ¿no? Ellos asesoraron a las autoridades del ministerio, sobre todo con la experiencia de las grandes selva chachi.
We could consider Socio Bosque as sort of a scaling up of a pilot project that was implemented with the Chachi communities in Esmeraldas province.
By implementing Socio Bosque, the Ecuadorian government seeks to promote a mechanism that directly benefits farmers and indigenous communities in the poorest part of the country. The goals of Socio Bosque aim to conserve 4 million hectares of native forest and other native ecosystems, and to reduce greenhouse gas emissions caused by deforestation. Through the definition of social investment plans by the beneficiaries themselves, a contribution to education, health, and food security is formalized. Socio Bosque also supports traditional ways of living of indigenous communities and respects their cultural values.
En menos de 2 años de existencia de Socio Bosque, tenemos aproximadamente 416.000 hectáreas bajo protección, lo que representa un poco más de 400 convenios firmados con las comunidades a 20 años plazo y una inversión pública de $4.5 millones.
CI es realmente nuestro principal aliado en la parte técnica, ¿no? Siempre son un referente, una fuente de consulta para nosotros.
A través de su aporte, tanto con profesionales y expertos en la materia, que hicieron posible que el programa Socio Bosque se cree también y pues finalmente sea ajustado a la política pública ecuatoriana.
We really started together with them as a partner. So we gave them technical assistance, financial assistance to develop this program, but really important was the leadership of the Ministry of Environment.
I think Socio Bosque is a wonderful example that links biodiversity conservation, ecosystem services, and human well-being.
We firmly believe that Socio Bosque is a groundbreaking project that is an excellent example of how to implement new strategy, has established extensive collaboration with CI and with partners, and that has great potential for replication.